Green headquarters in Richmond, Virginia. Imago Green headquarters has a workforce training center to help people get green job certification and training skills.
Hello, and welcome to Imago Green, headquartered in Richmond, Virginia. I'm Ellen Kowalski, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about the company. Imago Green, LLC, was founded in 2008 by Corey Coleman, lead accredited professional. Mr. Coleman received solar PV training from the Florida Solar Energy Center. He furthered his 10 years of construction design experience with additional training, solar PV design for engineers, with Sun Engineering in San Francisco. This additional training led to the production of a CD-ROM, Solar Awareness Training, which is now copyrighted. This CD was marketed at the first annual Las Vegas Solar Convention in December 2008. This convention for solar professionals led to a relationship with Richmond-based Y-Tech Vocational Center and Imago Green. By December 2008, Imago Green and the Y-Tech Vocational Center had an agreement to build a curriculum and training lab in Richmond, Virginia. This relationship with the Y-Tech Vocational Center led to a service agreement. Imago Green provided all of the equipment procurement to set up the classroom and the lab, provided curriculum development for a 12-week solar PV energy level program, which was geared specifically for troubled teens. Imago Green also installed a 1.2 kilowatt solar system on the roof of the vocational center. This, by the way, was the first alternative energy system that was installed on any school in the Richmond metro area in over 4 years. And Imago Green provided all of the classroom teaching for this entry-level program on solar PV. Imago Green was able to make further entries into the green building sector when Mr. Coleman achieved the lead accredited professional credential in March 2009. After becoming a lead AP, Mr. Coleman realized there are many synergies between renewable energy and energy efficiencies. That's when Imago Green developed the Green Building 101 program. That's to help individuals get their lead Green Associate accreditation. In June 2009, Imago Green attended the 6th annual REF conference, Renewable Energy Finance Forum. This formed many new associations with the U.S. Department of Energy. In July 2009, Mr. Coleman was invited to be a conference speaker at the Riverstone Show Me the Energy Money conference in South Boston, Virginia. After the keynote speaker, Mr. Stephen Walls, the director of the Virginia Department of Mines, Minerals, and Energy, left the stage, Mr. Coleman gave a powerful speech. This sparked a wave of interest in Southside Virginia for Imago Green's consulting and training services. In October 2009, the Halifax County Administrator enlisted the help of Imago Green to conduct a feasibility study regarding renewable energy cost versus payback. The grant proposal was successful, and the DMME awarded $400,000 to Halifax, Virginia. Thanks to this very successful effort between Imago Green and Halifax County, their Board of Supervisors helped Imago Green to become an approved training vendor through the Workforce Investment Act. In January 2010, South Central Workforce Investment Board approved Imago Green as the very first training provider for all of Virginia. In June 2010, Imago Green provided training via the Tri-County Job Readiness Program, which was conducted at the Southern Virginia Higher Education Center. This program included Clean Green Associate Training, Weatherization Awareness, and Solar Energy Entry-Level Hands-On Training. The students were provided with a netbook computer, construction calculator, full tool set, and the workbooks to take with them to use in their new careers. 70% of the students who completed the course became employed immediately afterwards. Also in June of 2010, Imago Green entered into an agreement with the GBCI, Green Building Certification Institute, for Imago Green to use GBCI's textbook and study guide, ensuring that all of our lead students learn directly from the US GBC standards. In July 2010, Imago Green established its Workforce Training Center in Richmond's West End. August and September were devoted to outfitting our hands-on training lab and introducing industry professionals to our center. Imago Green is now here in the capital city of Richmond and ready to serve the greater Richmond metropolitan area. When you're thinking about additional training to position you for a new career, think Imago Green. Now I know you're dying to find out what's behind this vaulted door. Welcome to the Hands-On Training Lab. Here we are in the Hands-On Training Lab built by Corey Coleman and David Armington. Students will learn here the proper techniques for installing solar panels on a variety of roofing surfaces, the same types of roofs they will encounter in the real world. I'd like Corey Coleman to explain to you what the different elements are. Mr. Coleman.
Ellen, great to see you today, and thank you for all of your help. The roof types that we have here in our training lab are so students can actually simulate doing work on our mock roofs in a controlled and beautiful environment. On this roof, students can actually install 4 solar panels and actually learn how to put solar panels on an asphalt roof, which is the typical rooftop that most houses in central Virginia would actually have.
Well, I definitely recognize the different types of roofing material, but what else is in this room?
Well, I'm glad you asked. There's a lot in here. Let me show you. Well, just starting right behind us here, we actually have a solar panel that is from BP. And right here, as you can notice, that this solar panel is a small one that we use for some of our smaller mock roofs. Here, this is a metal roof. And this metal roof is very beautiful because when it rains, it makes such a rhythmic sound that put people to bed quite nicely. Here is a rubber membrane roof that you can actually utilize, and this is used on most flat rooftops in commercial buildings. Over here, we have an asphalt roof. Now, asphalt roofs are utilized on flat roofs as well, and sometimes they're used on residential structures where people will have them within their home. On these roofs, we just give people a demonstration of terracotta. Now, terracotta is a very beautiful rooftop that is used on a lot of historical properties. On the opposite side of the terracotta, we also have the slate roof to show how an installation will be done with slate. Now, in this corner, one of the biggest things of rooftop installations is ladder safety. So we talk about how you can actually go up a ladder safely. We actually have safety harnesses that the students can wear so they can actually be safe when they're on top of a roof. And that's why we teach ladder safety. Now over here, this wall, we actually have some BP solar panels, 175 watt panels, that we utilize to install on the mock roof. Now these panels are actually used in this roof, in this classroom, and we also have a mock roof behind the building so we can actually show the systems operating in an environment that is actually working so that people can see that the panels actually do generate power. In our cabinet here, we have an array of tools that our students can get hands-on experience with. Everything from a solar pathfinder for the students to where you can find the studs on the wall, to a construction calculator, to voltage meters, to multimeters, to infrared thermometers. Now, why would we need an infrared thermometer? Now, the infrared thermometer will tell you the temperature of a roof surface. And once you can actually bring the temperature of a roof surface down by painting the roof with a very light color, then that roof can go from anywhere from 125 degrees to 95 degrees, which will dramatically cool the interior of the building in the middle of the summer. Now, these are the pieces of equipment that you've seen in our lab today, but we also have weatherization awareness training that we do within this facility, and we have a Memphis blower door. The Memphis blower door allows students to get hands-on experience with a blower door so they can learn what is necessary to do an energy audit for a residential home. We also have a combustion analyzer, which detects gases in your home that can be harmful for your children. When people come in and they check your furnace and they make sure that you don't have any gases leaking, they're saving your life. Green is not just green to help the environment, it's to be able to help you be in a healthy environment as well. That's our training lab, and that's what we're showing people how to do right here in Richmond. Well, hello again. Let me show you the Imago Green classroom. Here, we actually have a classroom that we do our instruction. As you know, we have the hands-on training lab, but we actually have a classroom where we can do our instruction and do our PowerPoint presentations and actually have an environment where the students can sit at their desks and do their work and do their practice exams here. You're just taking a journey through the headquarters and training facilities of Imago Green. If you need green training, remember, Imago Green. To reach us, we can be reached online at www.imagogreen.com. Our office number here is 804-447-1063. Imago Green.